Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making delicious African buns. It's going to be delicious and easy to make as usual, and for the measurement it can be found in the description box below. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. I have the flour here. I'm going to add the salt. Nutmeg is not compulsory, and also you can use cinnamon or vanilla extract, baking powder, sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Then create a hole in the middle. I'm going to add my butter. It's unsalted butter. Mix gently all together. I have my egg, 2 eggs. I will mix with the milk. I will add the water gradually, so I won't add too much. And also, instead of the spatula, you can use your hand. And also, when you are mixing the buns, you don't need to over mix. It's so easy to make. I have my hot already on the stove, so the temperature of the hot which I'm going to need is going to be around 340 degrees, because you don't want it to be too hot. If it's too hot, it's going to have a flash fry and the buns will not be done to the inside, and you don't want it to be too cold as well. So I'll check whether it's ready to be turned. So it's already it. It takes between 10 to 12 minutes for buns to be ready, and also it depends on the size. I'm going to turn it because it's ready to be turned. You can see how beautiful the buns looks. So I'm going to check whether it's ready. It's been frying for almost 9 minutes now. So it's almost ready. You can see crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. So this is the outcome of our sweet and crunchy buns. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe to the channel. And I wish you happy cooking from my kitchen to yours.